Can you do a chicken? Do a chicken. Atta girl, very nice. She's so cute. Let's try this one. Cross your fingers. It's a sound she can do, but it's not an animal she likes very much. So I'll try to make it really like, woo, let's do this. Lola, those were good. Let's do another animal. Let's do the kitty cat. No. Yeah, she doesn't. Come on, do the kitty cat. No. Yes. Lola. No. Don't you guys want to hear it? No. Oh, you're terrible. How about this? How about if I call the kitty and you pretend to be a little kitty? Can we do that? Let's try it. Ready? Here. Kitty, 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 kitty. Hello. 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 La 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 la. La la la. Good. Good girl. La 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 la. La la. Good. La la la. La la la. Let's give her a big hand. That was nice. Now I want her to sing a song, and she will sing. It's weird. She's a weird singer. Lola can sing very well, but she doesn't take the time to learn the songs we sing. She writes all of her own. Now, what we're about to do, she's heard a billion times. I sat with her every day for a year, and I worked on singing her teaching her to sing a couple of songs. And the problem is she's weird. There you go. I have no idea what that's supposed to be. If it's not the parade, it's the sound check. The birds don't like it. Oh, you don't mind, huh? Here we go. Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Weird. Like a merman with a